Hello, I'm here with Digso Junior.
Hello everyone who's watching.
Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be learning how to count to 10 with these cool and colourful number beads. We're going to be lacing them through this purple lace, threading them through and making a cool and colourful, wonderful number chain which you'll be able to see at the end. You ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Please shout yes if you're ready.
That's right.
Well done.
If you're ready, shout yes too. So, let's get the blocks out of the way and we'll start. Can you help me count the dots on the beads, please?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So, how many dots are on this one?
1.
That's right. So this must be number...
1.
Yeah, that's number 1. There we go. Now let's get the purple lace back and thread it through. There we go. We're going to pull that all the way to the end so that we can fit the other numbers on. There we go. That's our number 1.
That's good.
Right then, let's get the next number. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, how many dots?
2.
Okay.
1, 2.
That's right. So this must be number
2.
Yeah. Let's put this one onto our lace. There we go. And again, just thread it through. Time for the next one. Ready to count the dots?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Cool. So this must be number
3.
Yeah. Well done. You're doing great. Let's put that onto our number chain. What do we have next?
No, it's number 4. Count with me if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
So this must be number 4.
It is indeed number 4. Well done, Junior, and well done to you. Let's thread it through. Now, what comes after 4, I wonder?
It's 5. Count with me if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
So this must be number 5.
that is indeed number 5. Great work, everybody. Let's put that onto our number chain. And thread it through. What's next? Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So this must be number...
6.
Yeah. You're doing great. Onto our number chain. Okie doke. What's next? I wonder. Count with me.
Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. This must be number...
7.
Hey, great job. There we go. Onto our number chain. Now then, count the dots with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's right. This must be number
8.
Yes, indeed. Number 8. Onto our number chain it goes. There we go. Hey, we're nearly there. You're doing fantastic. Ready, Digso Junior? Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Brill!
Brilliant.
This, brilliant. This is number.
9.
You sure? It is indeed. It's number 9. Well done. Now let's thread through our purple lace. And we're very nearly at
Number 10.
indeed, so count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Fantastic. This is number
10.
Yeah, well done. Brilliant work, everyone. We're going to put this onto our purple lace now, thread it through. Now it's time to show you our number chain. Are you ready? Let's have a look. All the numbers together.
What is your favourite colour? My
lots of
favourite
colours
colour
there, aren't there?
is green. And Digso's favourite colour is red. What's your favourite colour?
Yeah,
that's a very good colour. I like that colour too.
Hey, there are lots of colours there, aren't there? Lots of colours, lots of numbers, lots of dots. You can see the dots on the top. Well, you will do when we turn them over. There we go. And underneath you can see how the numbers look. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number beads. Well done. Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. So I'm going to take these number beads off the lace and we're going to let you do the counting of the dots and see if you can then recognise the numbers. Get ready. Junior, do you want to do this bit?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So, away we go.
This is number. That's right. It is. Number 1. Is that right? It is number 2. Good job.
Let's put that one through our purple lace once again. We're going to make another number chain this time. You ready, Junior?
Yeah.
So, count the dots with us.
That's right. There is 3. I can't believe how good you're doing.
Great work. That goes onto our number chain. Count along.
That's right. It is 4. Count along.
That's it.
That's right. It is 5.
Onto our number chain. How many dots?
That's right, there is 6. Well done.
Amazing. We've got 6 beads on there. Another 4 to go. Which one is next? Count the dots.
That's right, there is 7. Brilliant.
Amazing stuff, everybody. And great job, Digso Junior too. Which one's next? Count the dots.
That's right, there is 8.
8 dots. That's a lot of dots. A lot of dots. That rhymes. A lot of dots. How many are here?
That's right, there is 9.
Number 9.
Last one.
Yeah. One more bead for our number chain. You're doing so well. How many dots on this one? Ready?
That's right, it is 10.
Yes, it is. Well done.
Well done, give yourself a pat on the back.
Yes, indeed. You did fantastic there. Thank you, Digso Junior. You did fantastic too. That was really awesome.
So now, Digso's got a message for you.
Well, let's just take one more quick look at our number chain that we've made.
Yeah,
What do you reckon?
it is very good. What do you think?
We've got all the numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All those numbers you helped us count up to. Well done. Just take one more look at the dots on the top and the numbers
Count with us.
on the side.
1, 2,
Oh, hang on a minute. Let's go one by one. So 1, 2, yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Amazing. All them numbers and all them dots. You did such a good job. There we go. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'd really appreciate it if you could please subscribe. We'd love to be able to grow this channel so that we can make more videos like this one to help your little ones learn. And if your little one hasn't quite got it after watching this, then if you can, watch this video every day for 2 weeks and you'll find that they'll soon get to grips with the numbers and they'll be able to embed their learning. Now, before we go, Digso Junior's got a message, haven't you?
Okay, so thanks for watching. It would be good if you subscribe.
Yeah, it would be, wouldn't it?
But if you don't want to, you don't have to. But it would be very nice to do it. And we've got more videos planned. So if you want to watch more of our videos, only click subscribe or like, or you could just watch. Well, if your child or baby or if you don't understand, maybe you could try and help them. A child, maybe you could try and help them with it so they understand better.
There you go. He knows what he's talking about.
So, now thanks for watching.
Hey, do you like my pyramid?
It is very good, but thanks for watching.
Thank you
hope
again.
you'll subscribe and watch more of our other videos.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Very, very
Thank
much
you
indeed. Okay,
for watching.
bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.